I will show you how to unlock FRP Infinix Hot 12 spectrum. So I tried too many. I am tired, so I will explain how to bypass with AFT Pro. So guys, I removed that pattern. So now I will show you how to remove FRP. It is AFT Pro. So I try and unlock tool anything, it's not open. So now I will try with AFT. So guys, you take the volume down, then connect the USB, then connect that phone with phone. It takes some minutes. So guys, see, it is going to if deal mode. It is taking some minutes. Guy, we will see. It is. So see that guy, it is say fail. So I try again. Again we will connect with that. Start. Wait guys, that's some issue. It's not taken. You see guys, that's taken again. See that guy? So how's it going now? That's finished guys, okay? So now your phone is unlocked. So thanks guys for watching me. Thanks so much. Your phone will be on it now. Guys, see that phone is now starting. It is starting now. So you will wait for 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Your mobile will be on it, and that's FRP lock is done. So see guys, so now you can so your phone is now unlocked. See guys, see guys, that phone is unlocked now. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much.